Good day, I am Jesusa Loresco from Bachelor in Elementary Education, Block 1. Now, I will discuss the importance of ecosystem. Before that, I will discuss the ecosystem. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment. Things like air, water, and mineral soil interacting as a system. And ecosystems are defined by the network of interactions among organisms and between organisms in their environment. They can be of any size but usually encompass specific limited spaces, although some scientists say that the entire planet is an ecosystem. Ecosystems, all the things that interact in an environment, make up an ecosystem. An ecosystem has two parts, living and non-living things. An ecosystem can be small or large, wet or dry, cold or hot. Here are the two components of ecosystem, the abiotic and the biotic. Biotic components. Biotic components refers to all life in an ecosystem based on nutrition. Biotic components can be categorized into autotrophs, heterotrophs, and saprotrophs, or decomposer. Next is abiotic components. Abiotic components are the non-living components of an ecosystem. It includes air, water, soil, mineral, sunlight, temperature, nutrients, wind, altitude, turbidity, and etc. Here are the biotic components and abiotic components examples. Functions of ecosystem. First is regulate the essential ecological processes, supports life system, and renders stability. Second, it is also responsible for the cycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. Third is it maintains a balance among the various trophic levels in the ecosystem. Fourth is the cycles the minerals through the biosphere. Last is the abiotic components help in the synthesis of organic components that involves the exchange of energy. Next is the types of ecosystem. The different types of ecosystem include terrestrial ecosystem, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, and last is the marine ecosystem. Facts of ecosystem. The facts of ecosystem are complex communities of organisms in animate materials that interact to support the living things within the ecosystem. Ecosystems typically contains plants and animals that eat, reproduce, compete, and engage in many other complicated interactions. As a result, the study of ecosystem can yield a lot of interesting facts about how ecosystems in general operate and how their inhabitants live. Now, what is the importance of ecosystem? The importance of ecosystems. Ecosystems are communities of living things, and the ecosystems are essential to human life, providing us with innumerable and valuable services. These ecosystem services are the goods and services derived from natural and managed ecosystems upon which human welfare depends and includes everything from clean air and water to food and fuel. According to Charles Birch, the importance of ecosystem management are protections. If we are to continue to inhabit the earth, there will have to be revolutions in the relationship of humans to the earth, and of human to each other and to other species that share the earth with us. So, the importance of ecosystems, it provides habitat to wild plants and animals. It supports different food chain and food web. It regulates essential ecological processes and support lives involved in recycling of nutrients between biotic and abiotic components. And that would be all in the importance of ecosystem. Thank you for listening for my short discussion.